If you use Xfinity services, you've probably heard about the Xfinity Stream app. But what does it actually do? And how do you set it up? In this quick video, I'll explain everything in a simple way. What is the Xfinity Stream app? Xfinity Stream is Comcast's streaming app that lets you watch live TV, on-demand movies and shows, and DVR recordings. You can use it on Android phones, iPhones, smart TVs, Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, web browsers. Think of it like a portable Xfinity cable box inside an app. How to set up Xfinity Stream app. Step 1. Download the app. Install the Xfinity Stream app from Google Play Store, Apple App Store, your smart TV app store. Step 2. Sign in. Open the app and log in using your Xfinity ID and password. Step 3. Activate your device. Some TVs may show an activation code. Just visit the activation website shown on screen. Sign in, enter the code. Main features explained. Live TV streaming. Watch live channels on your phone, tablet, or TV. Cloud DVR record shows, and watch them later anytime. Multi-device support. Stream across multiple supported devices. Offline downloads. Download some content for offline viewing. Can you use it outside home? Yes, but some channels only work on your home Xfinity Wi-Fi because of licensing restrictions. Limitations. Some channels only work on your home Xfinity Wi-Fi. Most features require an active Xfinity TV plan. Not every show or movie supports offline downloads. Users may sometimes face buffering or app crashes on older devices. Is it worth using? If you already use Xfinity services, then yes, it's useful for watching TV without needing extra cable boxes. But if you don't use Xfinity, this app probably won't help much. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, no-fluff tech videos.